But the car, they don't need space for the memory.
Okay, we resume this video. Okay, before we close, I just want to remind again, we have two left. One is on November 23rd. The other one we rescheduled today to December 22nd. But this is a Sunday. Okay, very special occasion. Okay, I never done that before, but we don't have too much choice. So this is the same time. Okay, on Sunday. And also due to this reschedule. So your final video presentation due time also rescheduled to this same day, 6 p.m. 6 p.m. is the upload time. You upload your video for video, okay? You have your 15 minutes final oral presentation. Video upload to YouTube, but you have your oral presentation. We have your oral presentation scheduled on both. Okay, I'll say on both, and 20 minutes each of you. Okay, so your choice. I think after today, you have 2 weeks. If you want to have the first round, you have 2 weeks to finish your presentation. Otherwise, you can schedule it. If no one coming out on 23rd. Then I will do my presentation, okay? So it will be your choice. But before you go, okay, I will give you another summary, very briefly. I only give you very brief summary. I will go to the detail next time, okay? In order to run your business, remember I said, right? You need to determine your business organization. And to begin with, okay? Usually we choose as sole proprietor. So, if I have any spelling problem, let me know, okay? Because sometimes I just cannot spell it very right. Partnership. And here we have a general partner. We have a named partner. We have named liability partner. Okay. Then we have corporation. And here we have a C corp, we have a S corp. And 4 we have a liability limit. Liability company. So-called area C. And finally, we have a non-profit. C3. Okay, you just write it down. We'll go to the detail next time. Okay, or we'll go each one and to give you pro and con. And usually we go with the first one for your business. Usually, okay. To begin with your new business, usually we choose sole proprietorship, and we will tell you why. Okay. For this one, for tax purposes, we filed 1040. Okay. Schedule C. For all of this, we file 1065. And for this one, it's 1020. For this one, 1065, same as the partnership. And for this one, it's filing 990. Okay. We'll go to the detail, okay, next time. Okay. When I say 1040, 1065, this is the tax phone number, okay, when we file the tax. There's a federal tax phone number. So we'll go to the detail next time. You just write this down. So as I say, okay, If none of you come out for your final presentation, I will do my lecture. Otherwise, I will reserve, certain time for you. Assuming everybody gonna finish your final presentation in class by the last class. Any questions so far?
So non-profit, you mentioned it takes about 18 months to.
Yeah. Well, I'll tell you why. What's the pro and con.
So what happens if in between you process then?
In between is a very unusual period, and you can okay, all right. So, in order to start out your non-profit 501c3, because there are year and a half period before you be granted tax exempt status. So for this period is the period you need to file tax, and also you cannot give the receipt for your donor for tax deduction. So before you be granted, you will be treated as a profit, even though your name is not profit. But before you've been granted by IRS, you need to report your income. So you are not tax free. You are non-profit, but you are not tax free, and you cannot allow your donor to do the tax deduction. So, which means during that period you cannot receive the donation.
But all the tax you paid, would be able to get back later on.
Yes, because once you've been granted, it's back up. It's related back. So, say for example, a year and a half later, you receive the receive the grant from the IRS. Then you can issue the receipt to your donor, and they can amend if they want to. If they donate a lot of money, they can amend their previous year's tax return, and to get the money refund. So, do I answer your questions?
Yeah.
Usually, I will recommend my client do not accept the donation. Wait for a while. But if you cannot wait, somebody just want to donate to you, then you take it, you keep it. But you just say, I cannot give you the receipt for this year. Once I receive the grant from the IRS, then I will give you the receipt, and you will file amendment. Yeah, you have 3 years. Usually people have 3 years to file amendment, so 1 year late is fine. Yeah. Any comment? Really? It's fine, right? So go home to prepare your case. All right.
Okay.
Thank you so much. See you in 2 weeks.